Okay, where are we going?
We're going fishing!
Do you want your fishing hat?
Yeah!
All right. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Dad!
This is the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, who's going fishing? So today we're just going fishing. It's overcast, so we're not going to go out on the canoes. Because I don't want to be out on the canoe and it starts raining, okay?
Okay.
So this park, I took your brother here maybe a week ago, and we went canoeing, which was kind of cool. He didn't want to go fishing. I don't know, Victor hasn't wanted to do a lot of fishing lately. Might just be changing his mind about fishing, but it might change. Oh, here we are. So we have 3 options for bait. I bought, yes, I got the regular fish bait, which is kind of, you know, it works. It's boring. And then I got beef sticks, which I hear fish like. So we're gonna test that, see if fish like it.
Oh yeah.
And the last one, if you'll let me, I've heard that fish bite Play-Doh. No Play-Doh?
No.
Okay.
It's kid Play-Doh.
Oh, it's for kids?
Yeah.
Okay. So, no testing Play-Doh today?
No.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, let's go over here. Oh, look at the pretty yellow, purple flowers.
Canoeing and fishing.
You want to go canoeing?
Yeah.
But it might rain.
But I like it.
You really want to try it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You got to put on a life vest.
Why?
Just for safety. Yeah. They think you're going to feed them,
Yeah.
but you're not supposed to.
I love feeding them.
Yeah, no, we're not supposed to. Not in the wild parks, okay? That's a young one. See?
I wish I feed
It's like a
them.
teenager duck. We've got the power nibbles, or the
What's this?
crappie nibbles. This is just a beef stick. Sometimes Slim Jim, but that's, you know, it's just a brand name. But I've heard that fish really like this. So we're gonna try it.
Like this?
Yeah. So let me get the fishing pole ready. That was a little harder than I thought, but a little piece of beef stick on there.
Papa, look out for the ducks.
Yeah. Okay.
Look out for the ducks. Okay,
Yeah, we'll be okay.
okay, so. Wow, can you take a picture of these ducks and turtles? And then give the picture to me
Okay.
for my ammo stash?
Alright, watch out.
Papa, did you look out for the ducks?
I did. I didn't hit the duck. I had a little bite. Yeah. Oh, here we go.
What?
Oh, here, take it. Yep. Bring it in.
Can we hunt for that fishy?
Now we have to throw them back. This.
I
Oh.
want to hold the fishy.
Okay.
What is it called?
This one is called a rock bass.
Oh, I love rock bass.
Yeah. Okay. Let's show him on the camera.
Can
It's not
I
exactly a
hold him?
bluegill,
Can I?
but it is considered a panfish. Yeah, you can hold him. Just throw him back in the water, though. Good job. Oh my goodness. There are a lot on there. I gotta get right away. Those fish really like the beef stick. Oh my goodness. This is like, I've never had a bait work this well, this fast. Oh, gosh, they're going crazy for it. Okay, yeah, I think you got one. Yeah, you got one.
I got, what's this time?
Oh, perfect release.
Yeah, perfect release. This time it was not a big one.
Oh, that's a good one. Good job. Good job.
Can I hold it this time?
Yep, you can release it.
I'm the good. This time. Rules.
Okay, you want me to get the hook?
Yes.
Okay.
Here you go, my friend fish. Look at menu. Zabbers.
Dabbers, that's his name?
Yeah. He's really cute.
Alright, let me get that hook out of there. Alright.
There he goes, Zabbers.
Yeah, bye, Dabbers.
Bye, Zabber. I love Zabbers.
Oh, Zabbers.
That's like a zap.
This is actually really cool. Watch how fast this happens.
What?
You just put it out there.
Let me hold it.
Okay. And now that I say, oh wait, here we go.
I'll get him. Wait.
I think if I had one of my other hooks on there, like I have what's called a mosquito wire hook.
Get it! You got. I think you got one.
Yeah, I think it tried to bite my. Oops. This is crazy how fast they're biting it.
Maybe.
We'll have to look at the video later and see how many bites we got.
Oh.
We get so many bites.
Can I hold?
Yeah, here you go. Oh, you got one. Okay, back out. You know, the problem is, ooh, we hooked somebody else's line. Here we go. The problem is, I don't think this hook is sharp enough. So they're kind of getting away. As if they really commit, like this one. Oh, nuts.
Shoot. No.
There you go. There you go. Ooh. Try lifting. Try lifting it up. Oh, almost. You want me to put a sharper hook on there?
No.
Okay. Oh. Here you go. That's a big one.
So can we hunt for it or not?
We're going to throw them back.
Can I?
Yes.
He's a fish.
Yep.
What's he called?
Now that is a sunfish.
Sunfish?
Yeah, I don't think it's a blue. Oh, it might be a bluegill. Whoa, you got a fish. Okay, let it back down. Let's put it back out there. There you go. Oh, you're getting bites. You get bites like right away with this. But I do have the wrong type of hook on there. Because they're not getting hooked. They're just biting it but not getting hooked. I've got a better hook for that.
I will show you.
Oh, you're going to show me? Okay.
Stay.
Ooh, look at the snake. Look at the snake right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there. Yeah, if he comes closer, we're going to leave.
I think you're having trouble. What?
Yeah, we're going to go. Come on, you see him right there? Come back here.
Better idea.
Come back here.
Shooting snakes.
Shooting snakes? That sounds awesome. Hang on.
I just planted that with a shooter gun. With your shooter gun.
Okay, tell me what's your plan again?
My plan is to shoot snakes with your shooter gun.
With my shooter guns. Well, we can't do that at the park.
Why?
It's a couple laws in our way. Let's hang on. Okay. All right, let's go walk and look. Do you want to try a little bit of canoeing?
Yes.
Okay, it is sunny out. So phrase, man makes plans and God laughs. I think there's another one that needs to be added to that. Dad makes plans and kids laugh. So I thought this was a fishing day and testing 3 different kinds of baits. A little bit of fishing, and she decided it's a canoeing day. So we're gonna see what we can do. So, you like the canoeing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really pretty out today. It's nice and overcast. We're gonna stay close to the shore, but let's see if I can make this work.
Bye-bye, paddle.
Okay.
I'll help you. How about I go to the ducks? How about ducks?
Yeah, we're going.
No, the ducks are right there.
I know, but there's a place where they feed that's over that way. And I saw that with your brother last time we were here. He's right there.
Oh, I can see him there.
Yeah, you see him? Yeah. Okay, please sit down.
I'm gonna get to the turtles and ducks.
All right.
And
Make
ducks,
your video. Do your Wildcrats video.
Like, hello, we're seeing turtles and ducks and
Storks.
storks
Yeah, not swords. Close.
and snakes.
Yeah, we saw a snake. That was kind of scary. What bothered me is how
What's that, Lux?
bold that snake was.
Oh, we're going too thick.
Yeah, that's a, I think that's a power line.
It looks like a bridge. Get to the ducks.
The ducks are right there.
Get to them. Get to them.
Now we gotta give them some distance. Look over there. You see the tree in the water?
Mhm.
That's a good fishing spot. Fish really like that kind of thing. So we're gonna go check that. Now we don't have the big fish bait. But see how I got it there right next to the tree? That's what you want. Now the only problem is little fish like that, but big fish like it too. So if you have big fish there, it'll scare away the little fish.
Okay, are there big fish there?
Don't know. We'll keep fishing. I think we just found a spot. Something bit my bait right when it landed.
What was it?
I don't know. You want to go look back over there? That looks interesting. Let's go see what that is.
I really wish we catch fish.
Yeah, we'll catch fish. It's real quiet in here.
Don't go to this place.
No, I won't. Don't worry. You hear the ducks? They're over there on that. See where they're on the
what's
shore?
that?
That's a whole bunch of ducks.
No, that's kind of like...
Oh, that one? That's another egret. We used to have those in Florida too.
Can you move closer?
You want to go see it?
Move to the egret.
Yeah. We don't want to get too close, but you can see him. Is that pretty?
Why we can't go too close?
Because it's his space. You don't want to get too close and invade his space.
Bye-bye, come on, let's go.
You ready to go back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Papa, I need to take a photo of everything that we saw and send it to my camera for ammo chat.
Okay. Oh, you're actually helping. That's nice. Thank you. You're really good at that. Yeah. Put your back into the oar. You don't know about Amon Amarth yet. And you won't for a while. Okay, let me help you. You're actually better at this than Victor is. Say that again. Maybe you're a barbaric yaw.
God, no! God, no! God, no! God, no!
Well, we didn't really get to experiment the different kinds of baits, but we got to do some really cool stuff. And
I really want to get some fish.
yeah, we'll get some more fish. Okay. But I have learned that the Slim Jim for panfish is awesome. So we're going to do some more of that. And quite frankly, I might just do that from now on. It's just too easy.
I wish we kept
Fortunately, the best fishing is right by the snake.
Yes. Yes, and the best thing is that the snake is back. He's back. Snake.
Let's see if we get it way out there.
I wish we shoot the snake.
No, we can't shoot the snake here.
Why? Why, Popeye?
Because again, you're not supposed to do that here. You
Why
got to
not?
follow the rules where you're fishing. And the rules of this public park with the playground says no shooting snakes.
Why?
Because people have ruined this country. I don't know. Just you're not supposed to. It's not safe. Because even if we shoot the snakes responsibly, other people might shoot snakes irresponsibly.
Why can't this supposed to look scary?
I know. But some animals look scary on purpose. And the reason why is they don't want you to bother them. So if they look scary, you stay away.
I want to get him. I still want like that cheeky snake to be by us.
Okay.
Hello?
Want to hold the fishing pole?
We just saw a cheeky little snake.
We just... What'd you say?
Cheeky little snake.
We just saw a cheeky snake? How do you know he was cheeky?
Because he's dangerous.
Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah. This is how you know it's fishing with a girl. The fishing trip ends with Nutella.
Stop.
Yeah. Okay.
Going canoeing fishing.
You like canoeing?
Yeah. And fishing.
Should we go canoeing again?
Yeah.
Or should we get a rowboat next time?
Robo next time.
Okay. A lot more enjoying the ride than your brother. Your brother insisted we paddle the whole lake. That's the difference between girls and boys. When it's boys, it's like mission oriented, where if there's a lake, you got to paddle the whole thing. But if it's a girl, you know, just paddle till she's done, and then she's done, and that's okay.